The Tesla Semi hasn't reached its final production form just yet. Tesla plans to implement major design upgrades and a battery update to gear up for mass manufacturing by the end of this year. This upcoming model is expected to be the much-anticipated Semi Gen 2, which will roll out from Tesla's new Giga Semi factory. Currently, around 70% of the factory is complete, with the next phase focusing on installing the equipment and assembly lines necessary to produce up to 50,000 units annually. Thanks to the new battery tech, the updated Semi is also expected to become more cost-effective. Let's dive into the latest developments. Welcome to Next-Gen EV World. Let's hear what Elon Musk had to say. We'll probably produce millions of these eventually. The Tesla Semi will become a common sight on the roads. It'll even have the capability to go autonomous in the future. Elon Musk has his critics, especially with his political involvement lately, but regardless of opinions, Tesla continues to produce industry-leading electric vehicles. The Model Y is still the world's best-selling car. The Cybertruck made headlines in 2024, and the Semi is leading the Class 8 electric truck segment. Yet, many people don't fully grasp what makes the Tesla Semi special. No other electric truck out there offers a 500-mile range per charge or accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 20 seconds with a full load. On top of that, it only uses around 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile, an efficiency milestone. Despite limited numbers, fewer than 300 semis are on the road, Tesla has done zero advertising. Most praise comes directly from users, especially drivers at PepsiCo, who rave about the unique driving experience and don't want to return to traditional trucks. Even with a price tag around $200,000, the Semi offers compelling value when you factor in operating cost savings. Elon Musk has even called it a money-making machine. It's also the first electric semi-truck to offer full self-driving, a long-held dream for many drivers. Tesla's new Nevada facility is specifically designed for semi-production. The site spans 1.7 million square feet and aims to deliver 50,000 trucks yearly. While the building's exterior is nearly complete, interior installation is still underway. Tesla's Dan Priestley has revealed that the Semi is going through a complete product upgrade, influenced by real-world experience. The Gen 2 model will feature redesigned mirrors for better visibility, improved aerodynamics, and enhanced overall performance. Tesla also added a drop glass feature to improve driver interaction with fixed infrastructure, like ports and gates. Inspired by Japan's Shinkansen bullet trains, the Semi was engineered from the start for extreme aerodynamic efficiency. Its drag coefficient of 0.36 beats traditional diesel trucks that usually fall between 0.5 and 0.8. Tesla achieved this with innovations like a rounded front, flat underbody, covered wheels, and the removal of side mirrors, replaced by a digital camera system. They also minimized the gap between the cab and trailer to reduce wind resistance. However, not all feedback has been positive. Some seasoned drivers are wary of digital side mirrors, saying they make it harder to judge distances. The centrally located driver's seat also drew criticism for limiting visibility in tight spaces. Tesla has listened and will be reintroducing improved mirrors and sliding windows to resolve these issues. And then there's the all-new H2 battery. According to Tesla, it's cheaper to build and smaller in size, but maintains the same 500-mile range through improved efficiency, over 7% better than current models. This lighter battery reduces operating costs and boosts overall value. On the charging front, the Semi will use Tesla's megawatt charging system, capable of adding up to 350 miles of range in just 30 minutes. This is a game-changer for long-haul operations where downtime is expensive. Priestley also confirmed a new HV battery pack is coming. Whether HV means high voltage is still unclear, but we know it's a next-gen design built for efficiency and affordability. Initially, many believed Tesla would switch from 2170 to 4680 cells, but it seems the 4680s are being saved for the Cybertruck, or maybe they're not ideal for the Semi yet. Tesla has also developed EPTO, electric power takeoff, a system that powers trailer accessories like refrigeration units or hydraulic tools using the Semi's own battery. EPTO supports both AC and DC output with over 25 kilowatts of power. Priestley hinted at another major update, a new high-power charger, 1.2 to 2 megawatts, built on Tesla's latest V4 infrastructure. This setup reduces the physical footprint of truck charging stations by half and allows up to 8 trucks to charge at once using the same power supply. Elon Musk put simply, If you're a transport company not using a Tesla Semi, you're just leaving money on the table. And he's not wrong. Tesla says fuel savings alone can reach $150,000 in just 3 years. Combine that with over-the-air updates and fewer parts that need maintenance, and it's clear why companies like PepsiCo, DHL, and Cisco are jumping on board. The Semi's operating cost is around 30 cents per mile, about $3.30 for a 6.5-mile trip. In contrast, a diesel truck uses at least 1 gallon per trip at $3.66 a gallon, making diesel significantly more expensive. Even though the Semi might cost up to $250,000 for the top-range version, the long-term savings justify the upfront price. PepsiCo reportedly used a $4.5 million grant to buy 18 Semis, which speaks to both the value and the investment required. Tesla's plan is ambitious: 1 truck every 10 to 15 minutes once the new factory reaches full speed. That means around 135 trucks daily. If Tesla pushes further, producing a truck every 5 minutes could actually become reality. There are also whispers that this new factory might also produce a secret new vehicle. Henrik Zane, a longtime Tesla analyst, suggested it could be the Robo-Van, a 20-seat autonomous people mover, or possibly an 8-seater family van Musk previously hinted at. In their recent earnings call, Tesla acknowledged a real issue: there simply aren't enough new drivers entering the trucking industry. Harsh working conditions and long hours are pushing drivers away, leading to potential supply chain problems. With the Semi's full self-driving capabilities, Tesla could flip the script. Autonomous features can give drivers real rest time during trips, reduce accidents caused by fatigue, and make the job more appealing overall. One serious reminder of these risks came in August, when a Tesla Semi crashed on I-80 near Immigrant Gap, possibly due to fatigue. The fire that followed was intense, typical for lithium battery incidents. It took hours and thousands of gallons of water to control, highlighting how important safety systems are in electric trucks. Still, Tesla's full self-driving isn't just about convenience. It could become essential to modern logistics. Making trucking safer and less demanding could attract younger drivers and keep veterans on the road longer. After 8 years of development, Tesla has managed to avoid the so-called production hell. The Semi is finally here and could dominate the trucking industry by year's end. What's your take on the Tesla Semi? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EV Future Insight. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new update. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.